Hey guys, I'm Buki today, and I've got a confession to make. I love snacks. I think I love eating snacks more than real food. And today I'm gonna show you how to make my Get Up and Go granola bars. We're gonna start out by toasting 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup sunflower seeds, and 1 cup of flake unsweetened coconut. Gonna toss this all to combine. Into the oven, 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. While that's in the oven toasting, we're gonna make the binder, which starts out with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 2/3 of a cup honey. Grease the bowl with coconut oil before so everything comes out nice and smooth. 1/3 of a cup dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons good vanilla extract. Swirl all that around until all combined and meld as one. Should only take about 5 minutes on medium-low heat. We just took our toasted oats and coconut and sunflower seeds out. We're gonna put them in a large bowl. 1/2 cup of toasted wheat germ. Just toss that all together. And you're gonna take your molten hot brown sugar and honey mixture and drizzle right on top. To that, you're gonna add 1/2 cup dried cranberries, 1/2 cup dried crystallized ginger, and 1/2 cup dried sour cherries. Toss all that to combine. You're gonna place your mixture in a 13×9 baking dish. Press down gently. You're gonna bake in the oven for 30 minutes at 300 degrees. You're gonna let it cool for 2 to 3 hours to let it set up. Cut into squares. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Healthy. This is one snack you are definitely gonna make over and over again.